facade, dude.
Oh, what's going on here?
Little bar install, you know, nothing crazy.
What's up, blockheads? Oh, that Ruroc too. Oh, nice. All right, well, we're gonna let Eric continue working on that here in the garage, which you guys should be looking forward to. You guys remember this box that Ruroc sent me? It's got this question mark on it. This says Berserker, all will be revealed July 15th. Do not open until then. Well, it's July 15th, so we're opening it. Let's see what this thing is. All right, looks like a traditional Ruroc box. Matte black and gloss black. Oh man, I always love their packaging. So nice. All right, we got a Ruroc hat. What is this? It's got some weight to it. Berserker. What? No Edams. All right, you guys ready? What? Look at that, guys. Wow. The Berserker. And you guys know we had to do the black and gold Ronin. Damn, that is super sick. So we're looking at the Ruroc Berserker helmet, the world's first full-face safety-certified moto helmet with integrated goggles, with off-road styling meeting street performance. Ruroc has 10 years experience in the goggle manufacturing game, so they decided to take their expertise to the world of moto. Some of the features on this helmet include integrated magnetic goggles, so you can swap between lenses very quickly. The goggles are seamlessly fitted with a maglock technology, and they have dual-pane magnetic lenses with Raid airflow. They have a flow-coated anti-fogging technology as well, and they are penetration resistant. Now, the actual shell of the helmet is made of carbon fiber. It is a T300 aerospace grade carbon fiber shell, DOT and ECE approved. It's a very lightweight helmet weighing in at 3 pounds, 12.4 ounces. That's with the goggles on there as well. And it's also unrestrictive, so the neck roll and such doesn't get in the way, which you guys will see here in the video in just a moment. Ruroc aimed to make this one purpose-built and included extreme strength and durability in the design. The helmet features an adjustable and removable aerodynamic peak, removable goggles, customizable lens color options. It's incredibly comfortable. You've got easy entry into the helmet. The cheek padding and the headliner is removable so that you can wash it, and there's also emergency release cheek pads. It has strategically positioned open vents so you can stay cool and breathe easy with minimal wind noise. It also has an open and closed chin vent, and then it also offers a short and long chin curtain option for hot and cold climates. And integrated into the back of the helmet is a spot for their Shockwave Bluetooth system so that you can play your favorite songs, make calls on the go, listen to GPS, and more. All right, so let's see what they included in this visor pack. Yo, no way. Look at all those visor options, man. That's crazy. Let's unwrap them. Yeah. Man, those things are beautiful. Looks like they have that blue iridium with like a high-vis orange kind of. You've got like that green iridium. What is that, like a purplish red kind of? Oh man, they look nice. Maybe we'll do blue. That looks pretty badass. So I'm not too familiar with like ADV style helmets. You know, they've got the brim here, adjustable. There is a screw on the top. Adjust it just a little bit. Tighten, loosen that piece, but that's all the way up. And that would be down. It is removable as well. The tool that they send you, kind of the same as they came with the Atlas 1.0. Fits right in, just like a little Allen key. The goggles do come off, so it comes around the helmet and just pop out just like that. That's the goggles. So Ruroc's been in the snow game for a long time. I want to say like 10 years, right? So this feels very similar to like kind of their snow goggles. Changing out the visor system, super easy. Basically pull up there. Same on the other side. Just pops out, right? And there's magnets. You can see those magnets right there. And it just magnetizes right in place. So I'm gonna take that one out. That's as easy as that is. And then you just, new one, line it back up. Dude, that is crazy easy. And push these tabs back. Same over here. Maybe I will do the blue. go show Eric, see what he thinks.
Oh, aha. Hey, how's it going?
Ready? Put your hands out.
Huh?
Put your hands out.
Don't shoot.
Eyes closed. Keep them closed. Keep them closed. All right, now open.
Oh, shit.
Bro,
I like, dude, the gold and the blue, you wouldn't think that would work, but I like that, dude.
Oh, yeah,
that looks so good. Hold up.
Yeah, and just pulls right out.
Oh, what? So this means I have to get a DRZ.
Yeah, exactly. Now we all have to get like some kind of dual sport.
Just because of the helmet.
Yeah, exactly. Got the helmet, now we got to get DRZs.
Padding inside is pretty much
similar to the Atlas 2.0, yeah.
Similar. Or, I mean, we're in Florida, so you might as well just ride it with just like this. Is how we do in Florida anyway. I see all the cool kids doing it. Just that's it. That's all we need right there. Dude, that's nice and soft.
Yeah, man. Here.
Oh, that's it? That's it?
Yep.
And then it's just locks in.
Yep.
All right. It's so easy a caveman could do it.
Those also come with this poster. Front is the Berserker, and on the back is instructions. So follow these simple instructions to set up your new helmet and get ready to ride. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the goggles just so we don't scratch them up while we're flipping this thing around. Helmet donut so we don't scratch it up. Let's take a look inside of this thing. So we've got your emergency straps here. Then you've got your chin curtain. Looks like a longer chin curtain, so that'll definitely like keep the wind out. Pull that. On the inside here, not sure how well you guys can see that. Let's light it up a bit. See on the inside right here, you do have your chin vent, so open or closed. Big enough to use with gloves. Nice tactile feel to it. Really nice positive click. You do have the D-rings, so yeah, traditional style D-ring. Got the interior of the helmet, and the pads feel really nice. It's a very soft, a lot of mesh, a lot of moisture wicking materials. Get the light out again so you guys can see in there. There you go. So in the Atlas, the pads are really easily removable, so assume they're the same in here. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on, we'll see how it fits. Put the chin curtain back in. Simple enough. Easy to get back in. This is extra large, and I traditionally wear a extra large. In most manufacturers, in the Ruroc Atlas 2.0 as well as the Atlas 1.0, I do also wear an extra large. Oh yeah. Wow, it feels nice. Wow, that feels really nice. It is like perfectly shaped around the ears. So it feels real good. Like it's not squishing them in at all. Definitely enough room, like in the mouth area. So it feels like it's pressing the cheeks, but it's not like overwhelming. I don't feel restrained at all. The Vision, so I'm comparing it to the Atlas 2.0, which is my, daily helmet for riding motorcycles and such. The Vision, obviously it's a bit smaller, kind of losing like some of your peripherals as compared to that, but the Vision is still really good. I can see the GoPro. Yeah, like right there. That's where I start to lose the vision. The same on the other side. This does have a little bit of adjustability to it. Man, the cheek pads, they feel really good. I kind of almost wish they had this style of the cheek pads in the Atlas helmets, because they feel really nice. It doesn't feel restrictive at all. It's like, plenty of space around the neck roll. So whenever you are turning, it's not like digging into your shoulders, digging into your neck. I like it. That's it. And then if you want to take the visor off, you're just pull over or up and over here. Just to go on, press in. Oh, that's easy. That's super nice. Good job, Ruroc. Fist bump. I'll be sure to follow up, and we'll do a first ride video with it as well. So you guys be sure to keep a lookout for that. If you guys are interested in scooping up anything from Ruroc, be sure to use my discount code right here on the screen. I'll be sure to drop it down in the description below as well. Now, I believe that discount code works on everything except stuff that's limited edition. But yeah, this helmet from Ruroc, awesome. I'm really impressed with the fitment. Feels good. Looking forward to trying to ride with it. I don't really have a ton in terms of that fits that application, except maybe like a little Grom, which I used to go adventuring, so ADV style. So we'll definitely try it out with that. But yeah, awesome job, Ruroc. Definitely impressed by the quality of it. It feels really good. It's crazy lightweight. We should weigh this thing. I think I have a scale. Let me see if I have a scale. Check it out. I do have a scale. Let's see how much this thing weighs. 3 pounds, 12.4 ounces. Or if you just look in ounces, 60.4 ounces. Wow. That's crazy. Nice. All right, well, there you guys have it. The Berserker from Ruroc. Release date of the 28th. Post all the details in the description down below. You guys be sure to go check out their website. Like I said, link down in the description below. First thoughts and impressions. That is nice. I'm impressed. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. Helps out the channel a lot whenever you guys hit the like button. So be sure to hit that subscribe button also, and then hit that bell icon as well so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. So next time you guys ride safe out there, stay vigilant. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.